Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today our topic is metamorphic rocks. There are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic mean change of form. Many sedimentary and igneous rocks have been subjected to different conditions of temperature and pressure since they were formed. And due to the different conditions of temperature and pressure, they produce a new group of rocks called metamorphic rocks. As their form changed, that's why they named as metamorphic rocks. Rocks can be changed when very hot magma is pushed into it, and this process is called intrusions. The size of the intrusions is very important. Small intrusions will not heat up the surrounding rocks as much as the large ones. In this diagram, it is shown that this is the sandstone rock and this is limestone. And this is hot magma that is pushed up from the deep underground. As it is pushed up, this pushing up of magma is known as intrusion. And as it pushed up, it will bake the surrounding rocks. If the rock is sandstone, then due to the baking of hot magma, it will be converted into quartzite. And if the rock is limestone, then it will be changed into marble. And the baking of these limestone and sandstone rock is just like the baking of cake. The size of the rock is very important. The best marble with most crystal is found close to the magma. Mostly the metamorphic rocks are extremely very hard, just like the burnt cakes, and they have usually spotty appearance. This is due to the formation of new minerals inside them. The type of the rock formed depends upon the area of contact between the magma and the surrounding rocks. The best marble, for example, when magma pushed up from the underground and the surrounding rock is limestone, then it will be converted into marble, and the best marble is immediately next to the magma. This marble has crystals which are very closer together, and this type of marble is often used for making statues. High pressure can also change the rock. This is the shale. It is a sedimentary rocks, and due to the high pressure, when shale was compressed deeply underground, under the pressure the tiny mud grain in the shale were changed into flat crystals and slate will be formed. This slate can easily split into flat sheets. That's why it is used as a roofing material. This fine marble is used for making statues. Next, we have to do test yourself. Question number 1, what does metamorphic mean? The answer is metamorphism means change of form. Question number 2, what must happen to sedimentary or igneous rocks to turn them into metamorphic rocks? The answer is they must be subjected to different conditions of temperature and pressure. Question number 3, name 3 metamorphic rocks. The answer is marble, slate and quartzite. Question number 4, explain how marble is made. Answer is marble is made by the intrusions of magma into beds of limestone. Question number 5, part A, what is slate made from? Slate is made by sedimentary shale being compressed deep underground. Under pressure, the tiny mud grains in the shale were changed into flat crystals which grew into layers. Question number 5, part B, suggests why slate is useful as a roofing material. Answer is slate is useful as a roofing material because it spread easily into flat sheets. Thank you.